Everything is true and universal. It's like what we said last week. You know, the tips and the tricks, right? They'll fail you time and time again. But solid marketing concepts and principles and systems, exactly what Björkman was saying, those are universal and they work. You
Right.
know, whether you're a musician, whether you're an online business, whether you are a coach, whether you are a shoe company, you know, whether you're selling whatever, right?
Right.
So making sure that you don't forego the solid marketing principles that are required for any advertising campaign, right? That are required for any brand, musical or non-musical. That's important. You know, it's important not to kind of think of yourself as exempt from that just because you're a musician. I mean, it's just not true.
Right.
You know, marketing has certain principles based off of how humans respond to stories and how humans respond to emotion. And so that is something that I would not forget and would not separate from, you know, your music when you're marketing.